Hello everybody, welcome to Data Infotech. So today we are going to learn about Excel. So let's start. Let me open the Excel sheet. So this is the home page of Excel. Let's get into blank page to know more about. Okay, before we begin, let's learn what is Excel. Okay, this is a program, okay, which is made by Microsoft to simplify the calculation and to do some stuff with the data. Okay, if you have some data, for example, if you have some grocery list, okay, and if you add them and if you have price of each grocery, if you keep on calculating manually, it will consume lot of time. Okay, with the Excel sheet, there are formulas, inbuilt formulas with the sum, multiplication, etc., etc. You can simplify this calculation and it will save so much of your time. Okay, so that's why this Excel is used in offices, in schools, colleges, to make some kind of projects. For example, if you're adding some data and if you are making some kind of charts, some kind of bar chart to analyze what is made for. Okay, for that all purpose you can use the Excel sheet. Okay, so let's begin with what you're looking right now. It is Excel spreadsheet. Okay, and it's kind of a grid line page. Okay, so each grid line this page has some kind of boxes. Okay, so these boxes are nothing but cells. Okay, this is called cells, C double cells. Okay, and each cell has a unique name with the rows and columns. Okay, so what you are looking here with the alphabetics, this is called columns. Okay, each column has a name. For example, this is A column, this is B column, this is C column, and these are rows with the numerical numbers. For example, if you select this cell has B4. Okay, this is cell name, while the column name always come in the initial. Okay, so B, this is a column name, so it's a B, and this is with in a fourth row, so it is a B4. Okay, and if you put the data, for example, right, let me write something smash. Okay, if I write smash, okay, so this data is stored in this cell. Okay, this data cell is called C4. I got it. Okay, so basically what we get the data we add in this. Okay, so basically it's a cell is mainly used to fill the data, as simple as it's. Okay, so in this we are going to learn more about this in upcoming classes. Okay, let's come here. So this is a home, and there are plenty of options in home also, and in insert, page layout, formula, data. Okay, so this whole tab what you're seeing right now, this is called ribbon. Okay, in this ribbon only there are plenty of options which which you are using in coming class with the data, while you are modifying the data, customizing the data, you're doing some calculation, if you're adding something. And if you come here, you can insert the tables in insert column. Okay, and if you come to formulas, you can get plenty of formulas here to do some kind of math. Okay, and if you can see a small tab here in up front, so this is called quick access toolbar. There are also some kind of quick options. For example, if you want to save the file, you can click here directly. Okay, if you already saved it with the name, and you can save in a new file. If you want to save it as a fresh file, you can click here on a file. You'll get plenty of options. Okay, I will show it later. And there is undo redo option. For example, if you written something, let's say Ramesh. Okay, I written Ramesh, but I don't want this. Okay, I can just click on undo, and but if I want it back, you can just click on redo. Okay, you get this option, and there are certain options here. Yeah, okay, if you click on this, the pages get minimized. Okay, and if you click on that, the page get maximized. And if you want to close the tab, if you don't want that data to be saved, you don't directly want to close the tab, you can click on this, it will close the tab. Okay, so these are the basic options. And yeah, you can see here this is sheet one because it's the first spreadsheet. If you want more sheet, you can click on this, and you can rename the sheet also. You can right click, see here, you can rename. Let me rename it with Ramesh one. Okay, see, I renamed this sheet. I can customize this also with the colors. Okay, let me do, for example, I'll rename this with a red color. So you can do plenty of things here. So this is a basic introduction with the Excel sheet. Let me show you how to save the file. For example, get into the file. So you can see here this home page open. You can save the file, you can save as. Okay, and you can open here new worksheet also. You can open new file also. Let me save that file, for example. Okay, I will save it in document. Okay, okay, you can save here, you can rename that. Let me rename it to Ramesh. Okay, Ramesh 01. Click on enter. Okay, the file got saved. So once it got saved, it will come back. If you want to close it, if you can close it from here, the data will be remained because you already saved it. If you didn't save that one, and if you click on this error mark, the data will be vanished. Okay, before you are clear closing some tab, you need to save it first. Okay, so this is a basic introduction. So in a coming classes, we are going to learn more about these options and what are these used for. We'll do some math with some numbers. We'll do some analyzation with the data. We'll create some tables, and we also create some charts with some great visualization. Okay, so this is for today. Hope you enjoyed this one. So if you like this one, please like, share and comment. Thanks for the day. Bye bye.